As you may know, Ravenol is a technical partner of high-level engineering companies like AVL Racetech, Spies Motorenbau, Drexler Automotive and many more. And their products are chosen and approved by top-level car manufacturers. And today we are at Samsonas Motorsport in Lithuania, a top-quality manufacturer of gearboxes and dampers. And we will get a closer look behind the scenes.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
So, very good, thank you. How are you?
Welcome.
Thanks. Maybe you can introduce yourself, because you will be the guide for this video and show us around.
I'm Martynas Samsonas.
Okay, I already saw very interesting technical parts,
yes,
like this over there, and also some parts which are familiar to me. And I would like to know more about your company and what's special about it, and your production and the quality control and everything.
So we will take a tour. In general, the company is, we take the company roots back to probably 1974.
Oh, really?
About that times when my father started studying and racing. So I believe this is the start of all the things happening here. Mm-hmm. But then, of course, step by step, racing, working, and then normal start day for the company, we count 1997. So okay, at that time we did autocross, rallycross racing, and we started first gearboxes. Mm-hmm. And so since then we do these small magic things. The gearboxes now take about 90% of all the work we do. Our quite special gearboxes. It's a universal mainly gearbox.
Yes, like this one, I guess, right? It's a sequential like universal one.
Yes.
And you adapt it to each
many car. Different engines, and for this moment we have about 400 different versions that we can do.
Oh, okay.
So it's like any rear-wheel driven car in the world can have it.
Nice.
Dampers business we started, I would say, it will be not more than 10 years. To make a good damper, it's very easy to build the base. Yeah. But it's never-ending work to make it work, like the performance-wise.
Yeah.
So with the dampers, you tune them every day, test them every day,
adjust them, and go into
it's never enough.
Yeah.
So,
and also it's very different to each car, right?
The damper, yes.
Yeah. And you do also do dampers for circuit and for rally and for drifting?
Yes.
Okay, that's huge.
And so with Ravenol we started like how many, 7 years ago, I would say. And we met and I think some exhibition at the Köln.
Yeah, that was the starting point.
Yes, and then we started to work.
So it means that you put, I mean, we can go into technical details when you show us the production, but it means that if you build a new gearbox, you recommend to put Ravenol in it? Yes. Or is it already filled in when you deliver it?
No, we send the oil with the gearbox.
With the gearbox together,
because
right?
we cannot put it inside.
Yeah.
Because then we cannot ship it with the shipping companies. Sure. It should be empty.
Sure.
So we send oil and recommendations.
Okay, let's take a closer look.
Yeah, let's go.
Hello.
Hello.
Chief of production and chief of design.
Okay.
So he's the main guy here.
So you did all the designing of those parts?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We do everything in-house, except that we do not manufacture bearings and bolts, let's say.
Yeah, yeah.
But otherwise...
And probably springs.
Springs also.
Yeah, springs, bearings. Okay. So here you are planning how to put everything together.
Assembly instructions, manuals.
Yeah.
Also, lots of work is done for the accounting, let's say. We have our own programs for the production planning, for the warehouse, for the counting. It's a one big system that we have done ourselves also. Okay. Hey,
Thank you.
So here is a dumper office,
Yeah.
assembly and servicing room.
And where does your expertise come from to build dampers? Because you race by your own and you know how your car should feel like, right?
Yeah, we race on our own and we race all our lives, let's say, so a little bit experience.
Yeah.
And then we don't work alone, we work with other teams.
And partners.
Yes, and then we work also with the one Lithuanian company, Laba 7. They do this testing equipment, I'll show you later, testing dyno.
Okay.
So with these machines you can do also a lot of work, development work, to understand and to see what to change. But it's mainly about hydraulic side, to make a damper work in the specific conditions. Let's see. These are vacuum machines. This is Ravenol oil that we use.
Okay, what's actually happening here?
The blading machine, it takes out the air.
Okay.
That's vacuum machine.
Fully automatic.
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of oil do you use for those damper housings?
One type is using 5B. How to say, we've been doing test work with the oil, and we have developed one special oil for us with the Ravenol.
Okay.
So we use it for three-way dampers, and then one-way damper uses different oil.
What's special about the oil? Is it due to the heat or?
Yeah, it's due to the heat and due to the viscosity of the oil, but it's damper specific, of course.
And this is especially developed for you guys?
For our dampers.
Okay. I didn't even know that.
And you know, some dampers don't have so much heat. Other dampers, let's say, in rallying you have maybe, well, it depends, but actually you have to look for the extreme conditions. Then it works good in easy conditions. Because
in rally you don't have that long distance of
yes. You don't have, but you have more travel.
You have more travel, yeah. But how long is a rally race roundabout? Just roundabout, roughly.
Okay, the stage can be from 5 kilometers to 60 kilometers.
60?
Yes.
Okay, that's a lot.
But the Dakar rally, they go complete day.
Yeah,
racing.
okay.
So it's not easy also.
Yeah, okay.
Circuit, you do 24-hour race, but then you have less movement, less travel, less friction.
Yes, a lot less travel.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, I didn't think about Dakar. I mean, Dakar is the worst case for your dampers. It's a lot of travel, a lot of weight, and a lot of time.
And then the more heat you have, the worse for the oil also. So,
sure.
Servicing intervals also depend on the heat.
What would you recommend? How often you should service a damper like this to get new oil in? Roundabout for a rally car?
Yeah, for a rally car, I would say it again
depends on what you use.
Not everybody has some, let's say, heat sensors, temperature sensors, or something like this. But it mostly depends on the if you speak about oil quality, then it depends on how much heat it got. Let's say if it was not super hot and not very long race rallies, then you can service it once per year.
Yeah, okay.
But if you have hot conditions, let's say plus 30 degrees and very long rally, then
after
myself, I would change it after the race, because you look for the best.
Sure.
But some companies, they rent cars, they look not how more often to change it, but they look how less often to change it.
Yeah, understood.
So I would say you could go completely 1 year, no problem, but But of course the performance will go down step by step.
How do you feel that the performance goes down when the oil is old or
it gets
worn out?
too viscous. It gets too liquid, let's say.
Yeah, too liquid.
Yes, and the damper is not accepting all the bumps and hits and the needle reacting to temperature. So the more temperature it gets, it closes the valves more. So it's adjusting to the temperature.
Okay.
We have some versions of this also. But if we speak about the long life of the oil, it very, very much depends on the temperature, let's say, and how do you use it.
Yeah.
So
okay.
This is our warehouse.
Okay,
it goes
so
to the
they pick their
assembly
parts
room.
here,
Yes.
go to assembly room, assemble them, and then they get back here to get shipped, packed and shipped?
There's another place for packing.
Another place, okay.
But mainly the whole idea is that the production is working with a production system, planning system, and guys keep track of the warehouse parts, everything. So production makes parts for they all go here. And the guys on top in the office, they make an order form, let's say, for the warehouse guy.
Yeah.
And then he goes with the trolley with the list, scans all the parts, and then the trolley goes to assembly room. Everybody knows what it's racing about. Some guys call it, I need it tomorrow.
It's about stress and no time.
And always too late.
Always too late. And always breaking stuff before the race.
So we help these guys also.
Perfect.
Lots of money here laying here. So.
I just wanted to say it looks quite expensive, especially when I take a closer look to this, for example.
Yeah,
that looks quite expensive to me.
So the stock is always full, so we have to take care about not only, let's say, if we have 100 orders in the front, we have to think about also 100
plus the future
spare parts.
Yeah, sure.
I mean,
sure.
Not only new orders, but only servicing customers.
Servicing.
So we have to keep a big package of spares also.
Understood.
For these guys.
Okay. So I guess now we will come to the most exciting part, the production.
Yeah, now we will take a look at the laboratory.
Ah, yeah, okay.
And then gearbox assembly room, and then production.
And then production, okay.
Not so fast.
Okay, sorry.
You want to be fast.
Yeah, it's about racing, right?
Yes.
Hello. Hi.
This is another production room.
Yeah.
These guys are also planning final production, let's say. Upstairs we had Marius, he is planning the flow of the accepting orders and planning the flow, and these guys are already planning about which machine takes which gears and the final planning. And this guy is checking parts
quality
after the production before warehouse.
So this is a dimensional check?
Yes.
Of every single item you produce?
Actually, yes.
That's a lot. And I guess this is for checking the hardness of the material.
This is the very old machine. This is a new machine to check the hardnesses.
Yeah.
That machine is a microscope.
Yeah.
So we can look inside the gear.
Okay.
We also check the hardness outside. We also check the hardness inside the gear, and then we check the structure, how everything is situated inside the gear. Is it good, bad, or it's not only hardness?
Yeah. The hardening you also do by yourself?
Yes, it's carburizing. So first you make the gear, then it goes for carburizing. So in the heat, the surface has to accept into itself, how do you call it, carbon. Then the top layer is very hard.
Yeah.
And the middle layer is soft. Plastic, not soft.
Yeah.
If you make it completely hard, let's say 62 by Rockwell, it will crack like glass.
Yeah.
So it has to be, the top layer has to be very hard, so it's resistant to friction, let's say.
Yeah, understood.
But the whole gear itself has to be also plastic.
Yeah, flexible a little bit.
So it's not cracking like steel,
Sounds
like
complicated.
glass. So here is the gearbox assembly room.
Okay.
Here we do new gearbox assembly and servicing gearboxes also.
Okay, so every gearbox gets assembled in this room.
Yes. By two guys.
By two guys.
One guy is away today. And this guy, we work together, I would say, since, I would say 1980s, 1980.
Really?
Yeah, he used to work with my father. As I say, we experience together,
Yeah.
it's 50 years.
Very good.
So,
Impressive. Okay, so how long does it take to build one engine right here in this room? So the parts are all here in the morning, and how long does it take to really build this engine?
if you bring
this gearbox,
if you
sorry,
bring,
an engine
if you bring all the parts separate, I mean, from the warehouse or the trolley here,
Yeah.
I would say if you bring 5 trolleys here, you can do 5 gearboxes
Per day.
per day. Yes,
With
easily.
one person or with both?
One.
One person can make 5 gearboxes. Impressive.
But it depends, because every gearbox is very specific. Let's say
Yeah.
it's universal, it's same, but it's
But
customer specific.
It's same but different.
Yes, different
the-
ratios, different
ratios.
things, maybe different clutch shaft.
Just from the
different-
outside it looks same.
Yes.
Okay. And how much oil do you fit inside? What's your recommendation?
This one can take up to 2 liters, depending, but you do not count oil cooling system. If you have a radiator, hoses, you have to add extra.
Would you recommend additional cooling for the gearbox?
It depends.
Depends.
It depends
24
on
hours the car? Yes.
24 hours circuit racing, yes.
Yeah? Rally not?
Rally, no.
Not really. Okay.
Never ever any issues.
As this is a sequential gearbox, any special oil which is required? Something very, very special, or would you just recommend a normal?
No, we use Ravenol, this the new one, gear oil,
Okay, the simple
which
one.
is the best and universal. The gearbox like Subaru we have here, or any other gearbox that has inside the limited slip differential plates, friction plates, then you have to add the oil with a limited slip additive.
Yes, just like the rear differential limited slip
Yes.
elements I see over there.
Yeah, so some customers ask us to help with the rear differentials. Let's say we have to buy some Drexler or something, some diff.
And put it in.
Yeah, we do assembly of the rear differentials, sometimes front differentials.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay. So what's the next step?
There you can look inside the gearbox if you
yeah?
want. So this is the strongest gearbox that we do, RS90 called.
Okay.
And this gearbox can handle over 2000 Newton meters for sure. And
Is this now cut it out to
yeah,
to
for
see
you.
to see how it works?
Yes.
And how do you assemble it? I mean, not in detail, but you start from here and put in
We start from here,
You start from here.
you assemble shafts,
Yeah.
and then you put gears, plates, everything, and then you cover.
Okay. So you assemble everything from here and cover it from there. Okay. Understood. What is the part that breaks first, usually?
Driver.
Okay, so if the driver is not that experienced, what would be the part that would you replace the first? In most
There
cases.
is only one part that it's not breaking, it's wearing out.
Yeah.
You cannot say it's broken because it's like brake pads.
Yeah, okay.
If it's worn out, it's not broken.
Okay,
So
understood.
it's the same with the engagement dogs.
Mm-hmm.
These are things that you engage the gear.
Yeah.
So if the driver is not experienced, or very often you have a pedal shift, so the shifting is programmed. So, but also you can have a good programmer and bad programmer. In both cases, the edges getting round, and then there is no area for the grip, and then the gears jump out.
Okay, understood. So those are used with pedal shifts.
You can put both.
Yeah. What do you use in rally? I mean,
In rally we use just a stick.
Just a stick.
Yes.
Because your steering wheel is somewhere, and you don't have to search for the pedal to shift.
No. Pedal shift mostly used in circuit racing because you have a lot of business drivers, and the pedal shift you can do quite safe shifting. The driver cannot go down 2 gears, let's say. Cannot mix. Let's say if you go with the 9,000 RPMs, you already need to change for the upper gear, but the driver sometimes can go for the down, and then you get like 11,000 or 12,000 RPMs. The engine goes to the trash box.
The
pedal shift, the computer sees all the data, and then it doesn't allow you to shift. Wrong way.
What's the benefit of a sequential gearbox instead of a double clutch gearbox, as many circuit cars are using?
I don't know.
No. Okay.
It's very different. Actually, double clutch gearbox is quite good, and for us it's not very good. But it's for circuit racing, you know. I
guess it's also a lot heavier, isn't it?
It's a lot heavier. Yeah. This one, the professional teams use the sequentials. No WRC, no Formula One, they don't use this double clutch system.
This is why I ask, because I know that lots of drivers are using double clutch gearboxes, but when it comes to professional, it's always something like this.
Yes. I would say reliability.
It's very compact.
Of course, I never race double clutch gearbox, but I would say it's reliability, servicing, because this gearbox you can change the ratios very quickly.
Sure.
Depending on the track, you can change the ratios. As I say, half an hour you can
30
change.
minutes.
Something happens, you can change gears. Programming also easy. So more universal, more easier to adopt, easier to set up. But with a double clutch, you probably have only one type, and then that's it. You cannot change.
Yeah.
But if you have like a circuit race series with those gearboxes, I heard that they are good. So it's different areas. Let's see.
Sure.
That's good.
Next station.
Yes. So now production. Then there is a lot of noise. So these are ready to ship.
Yeah. So they are already built for customers.
Yes.
And everyone is specific. So if I order a gearbox, I have to tell you the ratio and how many gears I need?
Yes, 4, 5, 6 gears, the drop gear, the ratios, the clutch shaft, which engine, what type of prop shaft. So quite a lot of information, you have to say.
Okay. And what about the adaptation to the engine?
Yeah,
because they all look the same.
These are all for one customer.
Ah, yeah. For which car is it?
I think it's for JZ engine.
JZ engine? Okay, so sounds like drift to me.
Yeah, with the flange type is for American cars, so with the rear axle. So it's most of the times is drifting.
Okay. Okay.
These are, I think it's a NASCAR.
NASCAR.
Yeah. 3.
Interesting. But still, the flange always, no, not like this, but here it looks the same, like, oh no, it's different. Ah, okay. This is a different flange. Okay,
These are also two the same.
Yeah.
JZ. This is, I think, Corvette.
Corvette.
Chevy Corvette.
C6 or C7?
I don't know,
Okay.
but C5, C6 or C7.
And you have quite a lot of machines.
So this is grinding machines.
And you're producing those parts right here?
Yeah, so it's...
What's the process here? The working
It
process?
has to grind this area.
Ah, it's only this chamfer?
Yes.
But that one looks interesting.
This is a barrel.
This is looking quite complex,
Yes, it is.
especially this area.
To be honest, I would say it took many years for us to design.
I can imagine. I can imagine. And especially it's also not full material, so you also have to drill deep, and that design looks very complicated.
Yes,
And it's
because-
also different. It's not always the same, right?
not always the same. This is neutral,
Ah,
and then it's each gear.
Each gear.
This is a position for the gear. Click, click. And this is the system which turns it. It has to come back.
Okay. This is turning.
Yes.
Here you put the gears in.
No, here is the spring with the roll.
Yeah,
So it's a position
yeah,
for one gear, let's say.
yeah.
This is for each gear.
Ah, this is the position for each gear.
This is reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or other way. Because one groove is for 2 gears.
Mm-hmm.
This is the reverse lock.
Oh, this is the lock.
It goes, and then you cannot turn it to the neutral unless you pull the cable.
And go
Then
above.
it stops before the reverse. So you pull the cable, it goes to the reverse. It's a safety because sometimes when driving forward, somebody can put the reverse gear and then you have explosion.
This is only one element, and it's already very, very complex.
Yes. So these are milling machines
Okay,
Here we
those
do-
are the cases for the
for the
gearboxes. For the universal
gearbox
ones.
casing.
Gearbox cases.
These are some brackets, these are some casings in many other parts produced here.
Yeah.
Yeah, here are 3 universal lathes, turning and milling. This is a quite simple part.
This one, probably.
It's quite simple, but not that simple. But
as always, if you go into details, it's never simple.
not a big deal. Here also
What's happening here?
some small parts like the shifting mechanism for sequential. This one is new. Not so new, 5 years also, but
Ah, and here we do
they cut the gears already.
so it's cutting. I already saw the tool, which looks quite complex.
So hub.
Better.
Okay, it comes like this.
Yeah.
First you have this and it goes like this. It's a different gear, but the idea is the same. Then after this they go to vibro machines with abrasive material.
Yeah.
Also German machines that Rosler.
Okay.
Then it goes polished to super finish.
Polish and break the edges.
Yeah, you break the edges,
Yeah.
then it goes heat treatment. After heat treatment, it goes to the same but different machine with some chemicals to polish,
Okay.
to make them shining and nice.
So this is cut it by wire,
Yes.
and the other one is done by the
Hobbing or tools or
by tools. Yeah. What's the difference? I mean, this is a little bit faster, right?
that one is much faster. This
faster.
is very, very universal.
Ah, okay.
So with the wire you can cut any shape,
okay.
anyhow. You
Yes.
can cut a fox, a cloud, or there for what you
So
want.
it doesn't depend on tools. Okay, understood.
but this one-
therefore it's slower.
Yes, so here let's say we can cut 20 different gears, 20 different splines.
And the high
With that
volume
machine-
goes in this machine.
You must do 100 one time.
Okay, understood. And is it possible to see the heating process?
It's actually our know-how. I
Yeah.
can tell you a small secret, because the heat treatment process is very, very expensive. And to heat the gears, there is a few ways to make the heat treatment, because as I said, it's a process, carburization.
Yeah.
We have to put the carbon with the gas inside the surface of the gear, and then it goes hardening process. So you have to heat up again, put it into the oil, and it's
Yeah.
a long process. It's a very expensive process, but we came up with our own ideas to make it good.
Okay,
So we don't want to show this.
of course. Of course.
So
Of course. But it was just important for me to show that it is done internally, and
yes,
it's not from any other company. Wanted to show that you are doing it in-house.
yes.
And what is also very interesting is this.
This is a new machine.
Yeah.
The older one, traditional, is that one. I can show you. So this is the old type machine, which has engine,
Yeah.
and then you have a specific travel up and down.
Yeah. By eccentric
So-
movement.
Yes, like a crankshaft.
Yeah.
So if you have 100 to the back, you will have 100 to the top, and that's it. And if the speed is the same, you have higher or less speed, but it's fixed. It's not old, but it's old type. But the new type that we work now is this. It's a linear electromagnetic type.
Okay.
So you can do what you want. So you
Okay.
can simulate the road. 5 bumps, bump, 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 down,
Okay.
1 up, 2 up. Speed is different for up and down.
Okay, so we could simulate the Nordschleife, for example, the layouts,
I think, yeah.
and let it run 4 hours.
As you see, it can.
And what do you actually test here? Or what's the most important information for you?
There is no one thing. It's a lot of things. You know, it depends on the car, depends on the weight, depends on the track, depends on smooth track, bumpy track.
Tires.
Depends how it handles the smooth road. Then if you have braking with the bumps, it goes down.
Yeah. What's the rebound doing? And
what's the rebound doing?
Interesting. Okay.
So it's a good machine to work with. Saves a lot of time. Probably you could do the same work on the other machines or on track, but it will take you 2 years maybe. But
It doesn't seem very cheap.
no,
No.
this one is very expensive.
Yeah, I guess.
But it helps us a lot.
Very good. And
This
you have
is a
another
spring
one.
measuring. You measure the spring, but also you measure the spring hardness through all length.
Through different distances.
Yes.
So in some cases it's not linear,
No, it's
like
for-
it's curved and it's changing. Okay. Cool. And
here
for
we
sure,
have.
this is quite interesting.
Yes.
That's your
Also
own car?
not cheap.
Also not cheap.
Quite expensive.
Building
car.
is one thing, but racing is another thing.
Both expensive things. This
Yeah.
BMW is based on N5 chassis and suspension.
Okay.
So it's, I would say, R5 Rally 2 suspension and shell. but the car is rear-wheel driven with a proper BMW engine.
Maybe we can take a look.
Yeah, it's a S54 engine with a naturally aspirated 430 horsepower.
From the E46.
E46, yes. It kills tires fast. So you see here turrets and
it's all
top mounts.
changed.
Yeah,
it's all completely changed.
it's nothing from BMW, let's say. Long travel, so you can jump like VRC cars.
Yeah, I already see.
Yes,
So the complete body is different.
it's different. It's the inside is different. The floor, the tunnels, fuel tank place is different. Fuel tank is 80 liters and 5 homologated.
Oh, interesting.
Aluminium doors. The weight is 1,130, 40. It's a lightweight. Yeah. You see this, the floor is different, the tank is big, because the consumption is also crazy of this car, probably about 100 liters for 100 kilometers. The standard BMW engine is not enough in some races.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so it was very interesting. A lot of information. A lot of details.
Yeah.
It was very interesting to see that a gearbox is a high complex product and you need a lot of know-how and experience.
Yes.
And yeah, some very interesting information from
Yeah,
you.
we hope you like it.
Definitely.
And hope it's good for the Ravenel to see where the oil goes.
Yes, I think also for the viewers, it was very technical, but I think this is interesting for our viewers.
Yeah,
and
thank you too for coming, and we are also very happy to work together for all the feedback about the oils also. And
yeah, we are very proud to be part of this. Hope to see you soon, and good luck with your next races.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you like all the details, information, and see you next time. Bye.